Welcome to Digital Purchase Order. This is a quick introduction to DPO's invoice processing feature. With DPO, managing purchase orders and invoices becomes fast and efficient, helping you save up to 50% of the time compared to manual invoice processing. To get started, simply forward your invoices to your dedicated DPO invoice email address. You can find this email at any time under Settings. Just click on the Invoice tab. Your suppliers can also send invoices directly to this email address. To review all received invoices, open the Invoice Inbox, where all newly received invoices are displayed in one place. The first step is to review and validate the invoice details. In this example, DPO's AI has successfully recognized all information, and the green indicator at the bottom confirms that the invoice is complete. If any information is missing, DPO will automatically highlight the corresponding fields in red. If needed, you can edit any of the pre-filled fields at any time. You can also add additional information, such as departments, account codes, or descriptions. Finally, make sure that the tax rates have been recognized correctly. Once everything has been verified, click Save to confirm the invoice. Next, open the matching screen, where you can link the invoice to an existing purchase order. This process is also AI-assisted. Simply select an invoice line, and DPO will suggest the best matching purchase order item. You can match multiple invoice lines to a single purchase order item, split them across multiple items, or continue without a purchase order match, whatever best fits your workflow. You can also choose whether to copy information from the purchase order to the invoice, such as account codes, departments, or item descriptions. Once the invoice has been fully matched, it is automatically submitted to your invoice approval workflow. Approval workflows are fully configurable in your DPO settings. Approvers simply open their approval list, select the invoice, and review the invoice and the corresponding purchase order side by side before approving it. On average, the complete invoice approval process takes less than 5 minutes. At any time, you can also use Match Mode in the invoice to link or unlink an invoice from a purchase order if changes are required. After final approval, you can export your invoice data to any third-party platform. Finally, all processed invoices remain available in the invoice view. Here, you can search by keyword, filter by supplier or department, and mark invoices as paid for easy tracking. Thank you for watching this video. If you have further questions, please send us an email at support@digitalpurchaseorder.com or give us a call at 1-888-376-7254. We can also arrange a demo appointment with you. Simply contact us via email and we will schedule a call at your